If you want to change the app icon color on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Wallpaper and Style. Now on this page, you will find the option of Color Palette. Just tap on it. Now from here, just enable the toggle for Color Palette. And after you do that, then enable Apply Palette to App Icons. Now if you scroll down, you will find the option to select the colors for the app icons. Now under the Wallpaper section, you can extract any color from the wallpaper on your tablet. Just tap on Apply to apply the colors to the app icons. Now it might take a few seconds to do so. Then if you go to the home screen and if you check the app icons, as you can see, we have successfully changed the color of the app icons. But you also have the option to select any color from here. If you go to the basic section, you will find the option to select any of these solid colors. For example, if I select this color, then tap on Apply, now just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, we have successfully changed the app icon colors on our tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.